Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look created with the Too Faced palette. If you guys are interested in finding out how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So today's look, I'm using this little book eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the first shade. And I do like to apply a few layers of this color just because I want it to be as pigmented as I want it, and it's going to help all the shadows blend in so nicely. So I do like to take my time blending this in. It is my favorite part of doing my eyeshadow, is doing my crease color. I just feel like it just I can tell when it's going to look so nice and everything's gonna blend in well. So I'm going to be doing both my eyes on this video. I usually do one eye, but I was like, you know what, let's just wing it and see what comes out. And I am so happy that I did that because this makeup look came out so nicely. So yeah, as you guys can see, I do like to bring it out and then blend everything. Then I'm going to go with the plum shade right here, and I'm going to use the same brush and apply this right into the outer corner. And I'm just doing circle motions. I am concentrating that color right there on the outer corner because I do want to smoke it out, but I don't want it to be too intense. So I'm just doing little circle motions and applying this in the outer corner of the eye. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did on my other eye to this one. Like I said, I'm just going to be doing circle motions and keeping the whole shadow in the outer corner of my eye, not bringing it in too much and not bringing it up a little bit too high because I do not want it to be too crazy. Then I'm going with this purple light shade, and I'm lightly applying this right into the inner part center of my eye on the crease as well, just to give me a little bit of color, not so much, just a little bit. And then I'm just kind of blending that out together as well. Then with my finger, you can go with the brush or anything. I'm gonna go with this shadow right here. I felt like with my finger the eyeshadow applied a little bit better, so I'm applying this glittery shimmery shade into my lid. As you guys can see, it looks so pretty. I love how it looked. It matched with my shirt. I loved it. So I'm just doing the same thing on my other eye. And then just using my finger, the warmness of the finger, to blend everything out, just so that it blends better and then it matches the other eye as well. Then with the same light purpley shade, I'm going to apply this into the bottom lash line with a small pencil brush and just kind of go back and forth, blending it and applying it as I'm doing it. So yeah, and I'm not bringing it down too much because I didn't want it to be too I don't know how to explain it, but too exaggerated. So I'm just trying to keep it as close as I can to my lash line. Then with the plum color, I'm just going to apply that into the outer corner just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And that's about it. Then I'm going to go with another shimmery shade from that same palette with my finger. And then I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner of my eyes just to give me a little bit of pop. Here I'm just blending everything out. With that shade, I'm going to apply it right into the inner corner of the eye, and that should be it for the final look. I hope you guys really like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.